everyone, Kathy here with Buffalo Check Chicks. I hope everyone had a great Mother's Day. I had a good Mother's Day. I ended up getting some flowers and we all got together and made a brunch. We had blueberry pancakes and bacon and eggs. It was really good. So I have a haul from a couple different places. I have, Dollar Tree and a thrift store that is local, which is called Lighthouse Ministries. And I got a few things from there, a few things from Dollar Tree, and I don't know if you guys ever heard of thrift books, if anyone's interested in, they're used books, and they have all kinds of category of books, and this is not sponsored. I was wanting to find some flower books, and I didn't want to pay $25 a piece for them, about gardening and flowers and perennials and annuals and all that. So I found the website. It's called Thrift Books, and you can go through there. You can set up an account, and they deliver it right to you. And I ended up getting, I think it was 3 books, and they're used books. They're not new books, but they're in good condition. So I ended up getting 3 books for, I think it was $16. And this is a heavy hardcover book, all about perennials. And who is the author? Ellen Phillips and C. Colstein Burrell. But I was looking at it the other day. I didn't read the whole thing, but there was a lot of information in there in case anyone's interested. They have all different categories of books. So I picked up that one, Cottage Gardening, which is a soft cover. Beautiful pictures, beautiful little pictures of all the different flowers and what they're called. So that's what I was looking for, some information. And then I have another one that is, it's a soft cover, it's Better Homes and Gardens Complete Guide to Flower Gardening. I don't know if I'll ever read them all, but I love looking up the information. They have different zones, different things to plant and all kinds of information, which that's what I was looking for. So just in case anyone's interested, it's called Thrift Books. So I think I ordered before from them a while ago, and the service was fast and the books were great. So that was Thrift Books. And then I ordered a couple, these ones are new, from Amazon. And this is the Old Farmer's Almanac. Who remembers the Farmer's Almanac? Some people still look at that and have calendars and books. This is the Flower Gardener's Handbook. And this one's new from Amazon. All kinds of pictures, information, when to plant, when to prune. Beautiful book, and this one's beautiful too. I'm gonna have to buy a bookcase with all these books I've been buying. Flowering, yes. Gardening, I can't talk today. Growing flowers. And this is, just look at the cover. The flowers are so pretty. So this one is all kinds of information on flowers. When to plant, when not to plant. This is from Nikki Irving. All right, so that's it with the books. I'm gonna start a library. All right, so let's go to Dollar Tree. I picked up these. These were actually, they had these out around before Mother's Day actually. And it is ceramic. I don't know if you guys could find them anymore, but I want to share it. They were the blue and white, and there was 2 different designs. They're both ceramic. You can put jewelry and whatnot in there. So I picked up those. And then we went to, I seen somebody hauling the new lemon plates. And I says, I have to find those. I had my old lemon plates for probably like 5 years now. And I love the lemon plate. So let me show you what the old ones, I had the whole set, or I have the whole set. This is the old lemon plates from Dollar Tree. I have all the plates, I have the bowls, they had little glasses and everything, and I still like them. They're very pretty. I had 6 of those, but I seen somebody hauling the new lemon plates, and the new lemon plates have blue and white. So I was like, oh, I gotta find those. So me and my husband went on a Dollar Tree scavenger hunt the other day, and we went to different Dollar Trees that weren't close to me, the ones I usually go to, because usually they don't have anything. So we went a little bit further away. In the second store we came to, voila, found them. I only found the plates though. I didn't find the cups or that. I think they had mugs, they had glasses, and the bowls. I really don't need the bowls. I just really love the blue stripe around the edges, the white flowers, the blue flowers. I love it. Absolutely perfect. And I picked up a couple of the towels to go with it. I didn't pick up, they had placemats. I didn't get all the things. I just got the towels and the plates. So I'll be doing the tablescape very shortly, but I love these. Now I don't know what to do, if I should sell my old plates or keep them or what. Maybe I can mix and match them. I don't know, but let me see what they look like. Maybe I could use the small plates on here. That's an idea. All right, so this was Dollar Tree, and then I picked up, this doesn't match these, but I picked this up for the dish drying mat. You could turn it over and have this blue, or use this side with the lemons on it. I like these. These are good. Let's see, and this is a random thing. This is Mr. Beast. I don't know, you guys probably haven't heard of him. Maybe some of you have, but he is the #1 YouTuber. Makes millions, gets millions of views. I don't know. It's probably a younger person thing. My son watches them. And they had the Mr. Beast cookies. I ended up buying 4 packages, 2 for my son and 2 for us. $1.25. I'm sure his products are way more than $1.25. So we tried some and they're really good. At least we thought they were good. They're soft, chocolate chips. Very good. Gluten-free, plant-based. Is it? I can't read it. 8 ounces? But that's Mr. Beast right there. I've watched some of his videos with my son. So that was Dollar Tree, and then this is some picks for 4th of July. I thought these were neat. They have the sparkles in them. Blue and red sparkles. So I got 2 of those. And I got 2 of these. And I thought these were different. I think I seen them last year, but I really like them. Red, white, and blue flowers. So I'll probably do, I don't know, some decorating with those. Now on to the thrift store. We went in and just looked around and found a couple things. Now I ended up finding chicken plate. Yes, I still like chickens and roosters. I'm sure a lot of people still do. Maybe some people are over it, but I still like them. And let me grab my glasses. 1 sec. All right, so grabbing my glasses didn't help too much. Anyway, it was $1. It says American Antler at home, petite Provence. So I could put those in the little picture stand or put them on my wall. I'll probably put them in a little picture stand. I don't have any plate hangers, but I found two different ones. I wish there was another one. There probably was somewhere, but I just found the 2 there, and they were both $1. I just thought they were pretty. Just small little plates for decor. And then see, she put these all together here. These were pretty. There was just these four, and I figured I could use them just for whatever, even if I could put plants on them or just as a decor. But I really liked them. It is ironstone, so that made me even want to buy them more. And they were $1 each. I just love the flowers on there. So pretty. And there is crayon on that one. I don't know if you could see it, but ironstone. I can't read the rest of it. But so pretty. So there was 3 of those, $1 each. And then this was kind of a random thing, but it's a good size container for storage. And this was $3. And it's glass, and it's pretty solid and a good size, and it has the airtight top. So I like that. It's very tight. Good for putting coffee or any food item. Creamer. I use powder creamer sometimes. Sugar, whatever. But I thought it was nice, so I picked that up. And then last but not least, let's see, I got this plate. Blue and white, good size oval serving plate that is dishwasher safe and microwave safe, and it is made in Italy. So I says, yeah, I'll take that. It was $5. I don't know if you could see the marking. Let's see if I can see what else it says. No, I can't. All right, so this will be a useful item also, a serving plate for family dinners. So I thought that was great. So I think that's all I have for you guys. I also today went to Lowe's and checked the clearance plants, which I always do first, is check the clearance plants. And I found a hydrangea. I think it was, what was it, $12 originally, but I think they had them 90% off because I got the hydrangea and another little plant that was a pink one that was called Impatience. It was Impatience, and the hydrangea. I got them both for $5.23, and the hydrangea pot was a good sized pot. And can't wait to plant that and get that going. I'm having fun with all my plants and doing some gardening and stuff around the yard. I love it. All right, guys, I want to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a great weekend. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps me and Marlene's channel. Thanks again. Bye for now.